Chance of what? Boss, I'm waiting. And this is your last chance. This is the last chance I'm giving you. So I'm asking you to spell the word it.
It. U-R-O-N.
You are what?
O-N-E.
U-R-O-N-E, it? Sir, spell it. It.
O-N-O.
Sir, look for me when you spell it.
N. It's N-O-U-R.
Sir, speak up.
N-O-U-R-E.
N-O-U-R-E, it. You want a raw slick. Eh? You got jail. You got jail. Make sure you call the shift.